Welcome to this 0.82 acre lot off Bison Circle Drive. This lot is surrounded on three sides by wide open space, making it the perfect choice for those seeking that feeling of acreage without the additional cost and maintenance. This lot is located in the desirable Buffalo Mountain community off Smith Lake Road, right where the pavement ends and the dirt road begins. I know that sounds like a country song, but this very true statement perfectly embodies the beauty of this neighborhood, providing that country living feel while being less than 10 miles from the shopping and dining of downtown Kalispell, the fishing, kayaking, and swimming at Foys Lake, the hiking and archery trails at Lone Pine State Park, the mountain biking and hiking at Heron Park, and if that's not enough, you have miles of trails right out your front door. As you can see, this lot is fairly level and clear, making it the perfect blank slate for your dream home. Before you know it, you'll be sitting on your back patio, watching the deer frolic in the meadow, maybe catching a glimpse of those elk or hearing the wild turkeys and pheasants as they meander by. I know right about now you're thinking this sounds pretty amazing. So if you would like further information, reach out to your local real estate professional or give me a call or text anytime at 406-890-5390.